Hi guys, in this video I'm going to run you through how to set up the Fantom Opera ecosystem on MetaMask and just how to basically bridge tokens across, use the primary DEX and get started on Fantom. So I am a little bit late to the Fantom party, but there has been a bit of a pullback in the price, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to jump in. So if you're interested in that, please watch until the end of the video. Hi, my name is Michael and I help new and experienced investors create profit and build wealth from cryptocurrency investing. So if that sounds like it might be of interest to you, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get any of my future videos. Okay, so let's jump in and have a look. This is Fantom on CoinGecko. So if we do have a look at the 1 year chart, for example, did have a nice build up through here. And has had a bit of a pullback. So I'm going to use this opportunity to jump into this network with a bit of funds. And also if you do click over here in the Fantom ecosystem, you can see that there is quite a lot of applications that are running on Fantom. And look, it has gained a lot of steam. It's quite popular now. So I thought, hey, let's grab a piece of this ecosystem and jump in and get some tokens across and do some of the basic actions. So in terms of adding it to MetaMask, the easiest way is actually through this platform, which is one of the primary DEXs on Fantom as far as I can see, which is through Spookyswap. So the first thing you want to do through here is click up here on Connect Wallet. We want to connect our MetaMask, and the cool thing about Spookyswap is basically you choose your wallet and click connect, and it will actually add the Fantom network in there for you. So I already have gone through that, but you'll see that it will ask you to enter that network, and then you'll easily be able to switch to that network, and then you have your wallet connected. Okay, now that we have our wallet connected, the first thing I'm going to do is actually bridge funds across, and I'm going to use Binance Smart Chain or some funds on Binance Smart Chain to do that. Typically, you would need to fuel your wallet with FTM first for gas, but there is a trick or an option to use what's known as the faucet, which is part of Spookyswap, which will actually give us just a tiny bit of FTM for free, which we can then use to swap our tokens, our bridge tokens, back to FTM for further gas. So this just prevents you from having to go to an exchange, buy FTM, and then send it to your FTM wallet. So you can do that, and in the next little section, I'll run you through basically how to use the faucet. But for now, we're going to cover how to bridge your tokens across. And again, I'm going to use my tokens on Binance Smart Chain as an example. So the first thing you want to do is to come up here to bridge. And then here you need to connect your wallet to the chain you wish to bridge from. Okay, so I'm going to be bridging from Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to go ahead and choose BSC here. And then from this drop down list, I'll be able to choose the BSC network. So you can see all the other ones that you can bridge from. Polygon, Arbitrum, which is a layer 2 for Ethereum, Avalanche, and OEC. I'm not familiar with OEC. So we click BSC. We'll need to choose a token. I'm going to bridge my BNB across. We can see here that I've got about just over 4 BNB. So I've decided I'm going to start with around $2,000 US on Fantom network. You can start with a much smaller amount here, but I'm going to use it for some tasks on the FTM chain. So it's roughly going to be about 3.4 BNB. So I'm going to enter in 3.4 there, and we'll click Bridge Token. We'll then confirm that request and wait for that transaction to go through. You see up here, it'll say deposit pending, so we'll wait for that to go through now. Okay, that did take a few minutes to go through, and I actually missed the confirmation message. So if you do want to see the contents of your wallet, you can use ftmscan.com. Simply paste your wallet address in, and then you'll be able to see, you can see I've got 0 FTM, but I can see my 3.4 BNB is in the wallet here. Okay, so that's confirmation that has actually gone through. Now, we won't actually be able to do anything on the Fantom chain unless we have some gas, okay? And the gas on Fantom is the FTM token. We won't be able to do any swaps or anything like that. And just to prove that to you, if we go to swap our BNB to Fantom, for example, the first thing is we're gonna have to approve our BNB, which is gonna take some gas, and we're not gonna be able to do that because we don't have any, okay? So this is when we need to get some FTM tokens. Now, there are a couple of ways to do this. As I mentioned, you could go to an exchange, you could buy the FTM token, and you could withdraw it to your Fantom wallet, or you can get a tiny amount of free FTM using the Spookyswap Fantom faucet, which I'm going to run you through. First thing to understand is the criteria around using the faucet. So this website up here will run you through it. Basically, you need to have Discord, and it must be at least 30 days old. So if you don't have a Discord account, you're not going to be able to use this method, unfortunately, unless you want to wait 30 days. So you'll have to buy from an exchange and move it across. You must have not used the faucet within a month. This is a brand new wallet for me, so I haven't. And you need to have just bridged to Fantom Opera. So we have just completed that step. So now we do qualify. So pretty much you just need to click here, join the Discord group. And in here, faucet request, you can click the pinned message up here and it'll give you the instructions, okay? So you can see here that after you bridge your tokens to Fantom wallet, please place your wallet here and relax. Do not ask for the faucet unless you've already bridged, which we have. Do not post anything other than your wallet address. If you're approved, you'll be allowed to access the faucet channel. Okay, and then it says here you must swap for more FTM tokens immediately after using the faucet, because they only give you a tiny amount of FTM in order to do one transaction. Okay, so if you don't actually transact whatever you've bridged across back into FTM, you're going to run out of gas again, and you won't be able to do this for another month. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my wallet address. Just have a look now, like so. Okay, I have noticed also here that it says all requests will be reviewed. Do not post your wallet address more than one time. It forces to review all the duplicate posts. Requests are done in the order received. Oldest to newest should not get approved. Okay, so it is a manual process. I thought it was going to be automated, but that's fine. So I just need to wait here for this to be verified, and then presumably I will be added to the faucet channel. So we'll wait for that. So after you paste your Fantom wallet address here, you do need to wait manually, and you'll be added to this faucet channel. Okay, now in this channel, the first thing you want to do is type !faucet, and it'll basically register with the bot. So I've actually already entered this in once. So that's the first step. And then up here where it has pinned messages, you get all the other steps. So post the command faucet into the channel. Step 73 should be done in DMs. Okay, so this will be a direct message to the bot. So we send a DM to the bot, Fantom tip bot, with balance to check that we have a balance, and then we do withdraw with our wallet address. Okay. So let's click on Fantom tip bot. I believe we click view profile, send message, and we'll click balance. If you do get this message here saying that the message could not be delivered, it's probably because of your privacy settings as well. So here you want to make sure that you're allowing direct messages from server members. Okay, so go back, we'll approve that or enable it. Come back and we'll try again with balance. Cool, Fantom tip bot, your balance is 0.2 Fantom, great. So now we'll be able to withdraw with our address, and that should, okay. I'll double check this. Okay, I just had to try that a couple times. The first time it did say failed, and then I tried it without an address, and then basically when I tried it the third time, it said, yep, FTM has been withdrawn to your wallet. Okay, and there's the transaction. So we'll wait for that to hit our Fantom wallet. That was pretty quick. So we can see up here our address, we now have that 0.1962 Fantom. Okay, so now we have some gas in our Fantom wallet. The first thing we need to do is on the Spookyswap exchange, we now want to exchange our BNB, and I'm just going to convert it all to Fantom. Okay, so the first thing we do is approve that BNB, and so now we'll be able to afford that fee now. That went through in like 3 or 4 seconds, so that's pretty quick, which is cool. Now we can click the swap button, approve that transaction as well. And that goes through. Swap 3.4 BNB for 958 Fantom. Okay, so now we will have, let's wait for that to update. Okay, so now when we go back to MetaMask, we'll see that we have the 958 Fantom and no more BNB. So now we're fueled and ready to go on the Fantom network. Now I want to run you through something that you can do with your FTM token. So we've been using Spookyswap, so it is the main DEX on the Fantom network, and if we have a look at the chart, it's actually performed pretty well and has had a bit of a pullback here, and looks like it's consolidating. So look, if Fantom's going to do well, this token's going to do well. Think of it like the the Uniswap of the Fantom network. So I think one good use of funds might be to lock up some of these and to stake it, and then we can just get the benefits there of the token price appreciating as well as the staking rewards as well. So if we do click on stake, we can see here it's getting about 26.58% annually, and yeah, we don't have any BOO tokens as yet. You can see here that staking BOO means you get X BOO in return, and the pool automatically compounds by using a portion of all trade fees to buy back BOO, which means the X BOO to BOO ratio will grow over time. Okay, so currently 1 X BOO is 1.44 BOO. Like liquidity, you will earn fees according to sharing the pool, and your X BOO receipt as needed proof when claiming the rewards. Okay, cool. So I'm going to use part of my Fantom now. So what we're going to do is do a swap, and we're going to swap Fantom for the BOO token. In terms of how much, probably just going to do roughly around a quarter of this. So 50% is 478. Might do 240 of those and convert that to the BOO token. BOO token's about $20, so that sounds about right. So let's just make it an even 25, and we'll go ahead and we'll swap that. That should go through pretty quickly. There we go, we've got our 25 BOO tokens. So now we'll go ahead, we'll approve the BOO here for staking. Go ahead and we will stake the maximum amount of BOO, confirm that, confirm the transaction. And just to give you an idea around what these are costing on Fantom, like one Fantom token is $2 and this is 0.08, so it's, you know, it's a fraction. It's probably a couple cents or something per transaction. So it just shows you how fast and cheap the Fantom network is. And I thought this pretty cool as well. You can actually then take your XBOO and stake it and actually earn some more tokens as well. So this looks like we can earn some wrapped Fantom at approximately 17%. So we might as well click in here and do this as well and put our XBOO tokens to use. I'm not going to be using them for anything else, so might as well earn a little bit more with them as well. So we'll just go, once that goes through, we'll just go ahead and hit stake those XBOO tokens. We've got 17 of those, so we'll confirm that. So it goes through, so I got roughly about $500 there in XBOO that's staking and earning us wrapped FTM interest as well. So that's all I wanted to run through in this video. Basically how to set up Fantom, how to bridge your tokens across, get some gas, do a swap, and start staking some of the Spookyswap tokens. So hopefully that's been useful. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you get all the future videos. Thank you and see you next time.